Welcome to the comprehension world. Tim's toy ramp. Tim had a big box of toys. He loved playing with his toys, but sometimes he got bored with them. One day, he decided to build something new with his toys. He used blocks and cards to make a big ramp. When he was done, he put a car at the top of the ramp and let it go. The car zoomed down the ramp, and Tim was so happy with his creation. Question and answers based on comprehension. Who had a big box of toys? Tim had a big box of toys. Did Tim ever get bored with his toys? Yes, sometimes Tim got bored with his toys. What did Tim decided to do with his toys one day? Tim decided to build something new with his toys. If you read the comprehension properly, find any two noun, pronoun, verb and adjective and please write in comment.